Good afternoon, guys. Today we will speak about the GTR full carbon, full body carbon. The first one in Middle East. I don't know if this one the first one in the world. So repairing this one, detailing inside, outside, back of the wheel, everything. Car care to be more shining, to custom show Dubai, the center of the world, custom show Emirates. So I'll explain for you what we will work for this car. So guys, now you are seeing for the situation for this car, guys, need to make a polish from outside because they so much dirty. Also for the engine blue engine GTR, this one maybe you will not believe how much horsepower is it. We need to clean each detailing for this car, guys. And if you see this one, carbon fiber almost for the cover for the engine, carbon fiber, and they changed the engine also to blue, and it's an amazing super power this car, guys. So we need to make a detailing for the engine also, and so guys, as the camera showing to you, an amazing wing the owner created to his car. It's an amazing wing, guys, made from carbon fiber. So, and also for the wheel, the blue one, they give the car more mixed color with the carbon, with the tire drafting, and also this tire for race, guys. It's an amazing. So we will make a detailing from inside for everything, guys. You are seeing for the entrance, for the door, guys, so dirty. We need to make a polish, make a detailing from inside to arrange this car to the custom show Dubai 2023 from 10, 11, 12. So guys, let's start. First we need to make an air. When you are making air, should be to make After that, guys, we use the greaser, soft one, safety one. We'll put for the whole part. Guys, don't forget to put mask when you are using the greaser. But I am not putting mask just for speaking because I need to speak. For each part, guys. The engine so much dusty. Yeah, guys, I need to now I change for the degreaser and put a little bit hard one. So guys, as the camera showing to you, we finish for the engine cleaning and detailing. Now we put the dressing by tornado gun, and we will let it to dry. After that we will let it dry until 10 to 15 minutes. After that we will wipe it by towel. So guys, now تعال نجرب. We will make a washing for outside and we will make a clay bar. After that we'll put the car inside to make a polish, the crazy polish from crazy car care to give the car from the carbon more shiny. Now we are making finishing for inside, guys, and we need to put the leather care for the leather. We need to finish totally, and after that we will start to make a polish for the car for each part of the carbon. We need, guys, to make a detailing for the exhaust to be more shining to the custom show, guys. Also we finish cleaning for outside, guys, and we are checking for the inside, and also we put leather care. We finish cleaning also for this one. We put for the leather care, guys. You can see for the different left side there is leather care, right side no leather care, so different. So totally now finished. We will put the car inside to make crazy polish. They will be shining unlimited. So, guys, as the camera showing to you the situation for the car like this. Guys, the situation for the car is like this. I am going to show you. Yeah, very nice. Yeah. So I will finish for the polish and we'll record for back of the wheel. Today, guys, we will speak about how we will clean back of the tire for this GTR full carbon. We need to make a detailing. Also for the cliparat, we need to make a polish for the wheel. Also the plastic up of the tire and back of it we need to clean. So first we need to remove. First we need to remove, guys, for the we need to look for the totally finished. Yeah, guys, as the camera showing to you, guys, we need to clean here for everything. We need to clean up, down. We need to remove for the rest. We need to put some grease here. Also, we need to clean this area. Come here, John. Yeah, this area, guys. We need to clean this area. So much dirty here, there, everywhere, guys. And also for the back of the tire, we need to clean, guys. We'll start to clean and make a polishing for each part here. We'll start now part by part. The back of the wheel, we need to use the degreaser. We use the degreaser from Meguiars, and don't forget to put the mask, guys. So we'll put a little bit. I am going to show you how this one will be like this. Yeah, clean this one like this by the degreaser. Don't forget to put the mask. The mask is important, guys. Like this one. The movement of the brush is like a circle, like this. Totally finished, guys. So also we need to clean this area a little bit. It's good. The tire will be more shine, more clean, and also put the. We need to put here also. Here also. So now totally finished, guys. You can see for the dirty. Yeah, now I will send it to make a pressure of the water for all. So we for this one, this area. So guys, now we need to clean this one. Please don't forget to put the mask when you are using the greaser chemical. I will apply for the chemical all, and we will clean. Look, it's so much dirty. We need to clean it. Yeah. And also we need to clean this area. The movement will be like a circle. Yeah, guys, we need to make for each part. Please don't forget to put mask. Look here, here. We need to clean it. After that, we'll push water. This one we'll use for Yeah, guys, now we need to clean all of it. To remove this one, the sticker from inside, we'll put sticker remover. And after that, we'll use squeegee slowly, no need. Like this. Like this, guys. Slowly until we remove it all. Dressing by tornado will be more fast to make it black for all the plastic. Yeah, guys, now finish to put. Yeah, and also we need to clean for this area a little bit. Now we'll leave it for 10 minutes for the dressing, guys. After that, we'll clean this one. Yeah, guys, we need to make for this one. Just a little bit for finishing. Finished. You can see the result, guys. We are preparing this car for the custom show. We remove and make a polish and cleaning that sticker was here before, and also here, guys, we clean all the plastic, make a little bit of polish, make a shining for the plastic. Now the GTR full carbon. Tomorrow we will deliver it to the custom show, guys. Is an amazing, and we are hoping to get this one the champion of the custom show Emirates. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to make like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. See you for the next problems.